Okay, so next video in the series is going to be petroleum jelly or Vaseline and cotton balls. Okay, so next video in the series is going to be petroleum jelly or Vaseline and cotton balls. As you can see in front of me, I've got two cotton balls. One is just a cotton ball and the other is a cotton ball with Vaseline. So I'm just going to put a spark to both of them and see the difference in burning time. Okay, so the length of the Hyperlux video you've just watched is just over 3 minutes and 10 seconds, and we've still got a little bit of remnants of a flame there as well. So as you can see there, it significantly burned a lot longer than just a cotton wool ball on its own. So just adding Vaseline has given me an extra 2.5 minutes roughly, maybe even longer than that. But yeah, I'll talk you through how to do it. So it finally gave out about 20 seconds after I stopped filming that last lot. So I went for even longer than I expected it to. Right, bring you back. So yeah, cotton wool balls and petroleum jelly, both readily available in most stores, usually on like a pharmacy aisle or a baby aisle, something like that. Cotton wool balls I think were about 60 pence, and the petroleum jelly was I think again 69 pence, 70 pence. But obviously you can get this all over the UK, pound shops, B&M, Home Bargains, that sort of place. Right, I'm going to get some Vaseline in a jar and bring it back. Okay, so I've just scooped it out of the jar and just thrown it in this microwavable jug. To speed this process up today, I'm going to microwave it, melt it all down, then throw the cotton wool balls in there and just allow it to sort of soak up into them and then portion it off. But you can, just as you've seen before, just dip your cotton wool ball straight in this Vaseline and just let it use it as an outer coating. But I'm going to see if it makes a difference with soaking it in. Right, so yeah, I abandoned the microwave. It just didn't seem to be melting. I give it a minute and it just won't go anywhere. So I've just stood it in some boiling water. So I'll bring it back once it's at a consistency I'm happy with. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to go back to liquid form. So while it's like that, I'm going to chuck a couple in. Give it a bit of a mix. Right, I'll bring you back. Okay, so yeah, we melted a bit down and throw some cotton wool balls in there. Now I'm just going to sort of massage this round and pull it out. So yeah, they do seem to be working. The melting the Vaseline down and throwing the balls into it to let it soak into it. But it's made a bit more of a mess than I anticipated. So again, this is something you don't do at home. Do it where someone else has got to clean it up for you. But yeah, we've got quite a bit here to go at. So I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to bag some of it up into the little pouches that we've got for fire kits, and then I'll get one lit for you. Right, I'll bring you back. Okay, so with that batch I've made quite a lot there, probably enough for a good 30, 40, 50 fires there, and still over half a bag of cotton wool balls left. But now we'll get to the sort of after test. So the test right at the start was just petroleum jelly over the top of a cotton wool ball. This time I've tried to melt down the petroleum jelly and have the cotton wool ball soak inside it. Now in the tray I have had a lot of the petroleum jelly. So the cotton wool ball on your left, which is this one, is just a plain cotton wool ball. The one to the right is the one soaked in petroleum jelly. So I'm going to light them and then I'll time lapse it again. Oh wow, so I've stopped the video, or the slow motion video, hyper, whatever it's called, on 9 minutes, and as you can see it's still going. So just from one cotton ball soaked in the petroleum jelly, it's significantly improved the burn time from just being sort of smothered in it. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the results there. Obviously it took a little bit of time working out how to get the petroleum jelly to melt down, but I suppose you could do it the same way I did the wax one the other week. Stick it in the oven, let it all melt down, and then just throw them in, let it set again. But yeah, it's still going. I've been rambling 45 seconds and it's still going. Well yeah, I'll let it die out and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're just tailing off now. As you can see, the last little bits of a flame just over there. We've been going about 11.5 minutes and we've just gone out there. I think we've just extinguished. I think I timed that just about right. So yeah, 11.5 minutes to help you get a fire going. If you can't get a fire going in 11.5 minutes, I think it's pointless even trying after that, people. But yeah, even if you had a bunch of these, I suppose if you had enough wind blockers and stuff, you could probably even boil some water in that time, just using one of these cotton wool balls soaked in petroleum jelly. So yeah, petroleum jelly, 60-70 pence a tub, and a bag full of cotton balls. Loving it. So yeah, if you like this video, tune in again next week for another fire video. Give me a like. Obviously subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thanks very much. See you soon.